Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vikas Sharma. I'm a skin specialist and hair transplant surgeon at Dermavan Clinic. Today in this video we will be talking about skin tags and dermatosis papulosa nigra. We will try to understand what are these two conditions. They are very common. They can be commonly seen on your neck or armpits. We will understand what are the causes of these conditions, and we will also try to understand how you can get them removed by laser or otherwise. Let us first try to understand what are skin tags. Skin tags are usually skin colored. They are pedunculated, that means they have a very narrow base, and they are usually seen on either your neck or your underarms or your groins, basically anywhere on the body folds. They are usually asymptomatic, you don't get any itching or anything on that, but they can sometimes be associated with either diabetes or insulin resistance or obesity or also high blood pressure. So all these things need to be ruled out before starting the treatment for acrocordons or skin tags. Whether to treat skin tags or not is your choice. Basically it's a cosmetic problem only, so you can leave it untreated also if it is not bothering you much. Now, as far as the treatment options are concerned, they are primarily destructive. So they can either be removed by radiofrequency ablation, or they can be removed with an ablative laser like CO2 laser, or sometimes cryotherapy may also be done, in which they are frozen with the help of either liquid nitrogen or liquid carbon dioxide. Then if the acrocordons are big or they are twisted, in that case surgical excision can also be performed. That means we can excise them surgically. Now we come to dermatosis papulosa nigra. They are usually dark colored papules which are there on the face, especially the sun exposed areas such as cheeks. Sometimes they can happen on the neck also. Now these are primarily caused by sun exposure, so they can be removed, but if you want you can leave them untreated as well, but after getting it diagnosed by your doctor. Now as far as treatment of dermatosis papulosa nigra is concerned, almost similar options exist for DPN as well, such as radiofrequency ablation or laser removal, or sometimes your doctor may also advise you to apply some acid on it, but it should be only done by a doctor because this can spread to surrounding areas and cause burns. Some people try to treat either skin tags or dermatosis papulosa nigra at home. They try to either strangulate it with some thread or hair, or they also try to burn it sometimes with some home remedies. But please try to avoid such things. This can leave a bigger mark. It will be better that you get these conditions diagnosed by your doctor, and then if you choose to get them treated, get it treated by your doctor only, because if you try to do all these home remedies it can lead to secondary infection also, so that can further complicate things. So please don't treat it at home. In this video we have tried to tell you everything about skin tags and dermatosis papulosa nigra. If you still have any questions related to these topics, please ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to reply.
Please subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos and information, please click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.